Welcome to I'd Rather Watch Paint Dry. 3D prints from the Elegoo Neptune 2. In the summer of 2021 bought myself an Elegoo Neptune 2. This is a FDM-style 3D printer. When I ordered it, bought a small box of PLA filament. It came with 3 colors: white, red, blue and black. Each spool was about 250 grams. I am new to this 3D printing world, so started off printing smaller things. Here are some of the projects. Only have pictures because I didn't take any video before giving them away. First up is a shotgun shell that my brother wanted. It is also the first 3D print that I have painted. Think it turned out pretty good. Next up is some Xbox controller stands made for some friends. Made 3 of these. They were printed in black PLA, then painted the front white. Also think these turned out good. This set of pictures are of a battery cover for a Game Boy. A friend found one at a thrift store and it didn't have a cover. I'm a big Batman fan, so I have to have at least one model. Was very simple to print and paint. Painted it all black with a bit of white for the eyes. Having lots of fun with this 3D printer. The tough part is deciding what to print next. Keep your eye out for more projects videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.